Got a 2020 Lexus NX300 T-Pop here. Gonna replace the battery in it, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this emergency key that's at the bottom of it, okay? Now on the left side here, there's a button that says push. You're gonna push with your thumb, hold it in like this, and then pull out the emergency key. Now what this is gonna do, this is gonna give us access to this little slot that's right here. Not the slot the key came out of, not this one, but this one right here, this vertical slot. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver, put it in there. It doesn't go very far. It just goes like the very tip of it goes in here. And then give the screwdriver a twist counterclockwise and it cracks the remote open. Okay, this is the safest way of doing this without damaging the remote. I'm gonna take the back cover off. And we're gonna hold the remote like this, okay, because all this can fall out. We'll hold it like this. Use the flathead screwdriver. Put your thumb kind of on the battery. Pop it out like that. And then replace the battery. Okay, so you're gonna replace the battery. You're gonna replace it with the CR2032 battery. It's written right here. Positive sign facing out towards us. Put the top in first. And then push it in and lock it in like that. If you need the battery or the size, check the description box. I'll have all that for you. A link and everything takes you to Amazon. If you want to buy a new battery, you can get it there too. You just get the back cover, set it back on here, start at the top, push it down, work your way to the bottom. It should click and pop like that. Get the key, lock it back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate if you'd hit that like button or leave me a comment. That would be great. And I hope to see you again in another video.